Hello students, in previous lecture we have discussed about morphology of cockroach, which means external structure of cockroach. Now in today's lecture we are going to discuss anatomy or internal structure of a cockroach. This shows internal structure or alimentary canal of cockroach. Here we can see pharynx, salivary glands, salivary reservoir, esophagus. Esophagus means annanalika. Crop, gizzard, hepatic ceca, mesentron or midgut, Malpighian tubules, ileum, colon, and rectum. Now, one by one, we will discuss about each and every part. So, let's start with alimentary canal of cockroach. The alimentary canal present in the body cavity is divided into three regions: foregut, midgut, and hindgut. The mouth open into a short tubular pharynx. हे जे माउथ आहे ते pharynx मध्ये ओपन होते, leading to narrow tubular passage called esophagus. ते कशाशी जोडलेलं आहे? अन्ननलिकेशी, esophagus. This in turn opens into sac-like structure called crop. हे sac-like structure आहे, त्याला म्हणतात crop, जिथे अन्न साठवलं जातंय. Sac-like structure called crop used for storing of food. The crop is followed by gizzard or proventriculus. Another name for gizzard is proventriculus. It has an outer layer of thick circular muscles and thick inner cuticle forming 6 highly cutinous plate called teeth. Gizzard helps in grinding the food particles. 6 plate like structure असतं, त्याला काय म्हणतात? टीथ. आणि ते कुठे असतात? ग्लिझर्ड मध्ये. त्या टीथचं म्हणजे दातांचं काम काय आहे? जे अन्न घेतलेलं आहे त्याचं चर्वण करणं किंवा ग्राइंडिंग करणं. The entire foregut is lined by cuticle. A ring of 6 to 8 blind tubules called hepatic or gastric ceca is present at the junction of foregut and midgut. As a 6 wire like or tube like structure दिसतात त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Hepatic ceca, which present at the junction of foregut and midgut, which secretes digestive juice. At the junction of midgut and hindgut is present another ring of 100 to 150 yellow colored thin filamentous Malpighian tubules. हे जे hair like structure आहे त्याला काय म्हणतोय आपण? Malpighian tubules. They help in the removal of excretory products from hemolymph. हे Malpighian tubules आहेत ते काय आहेत? एक्सक्रिटरी बॉडी आहे जे एक्सक्रिशनला मदत करते. They help in removal of excretory products from hemolymph. The hindgut is broader than midgut and differentiated into ileum, colon and rectum. Hindgut जे आहे त्याचे 3 पार्ट आहेत: इलियम, कोलन, रेक्टम. इनिशियली जी बॉडी आहे ती 3 पार्ट मध्ये डिवाइड होती: फोरगट, मिडगट अँड हिंडगट. फोरगट मध्ये काय येते? फॅरिंग्स, salivary reservoir, salivary gland, esophagus, crop, gizzard. फोरगट आणि मिडगटच्या जंक्शनला काय आहे? हेपॅटिक केका. आणि काय आहे? Malpighian tubules. Hepatic ceca, what is its function? It includes junction for foregut. It presents at junction of foregut and midgut and secretes digestive juice. हेपॅटिक केकाचं फंक्शन आहे सिक्रीशन ऑफ डायजेस्टिव्ह ज्यूस. आणि माल्फिजियन ट्युब्युल्स जे आहे ते एक्सक्रिशनला मदत करणारं पार्ट आहे. अँड लास्ट इज thin gut, which includes three parts: ileum, colon, and rectum. In the next diagram, we are going to discuss circulatory system of cockroach. So, blood vascular system of cockroach is an open type. Circulatory system दोन टाइपचे असतात, open system and closed system. Closed system present in human body because circulation is carried out from different arteries and veins. Arteries आणि veins मधून जेव्हा सर्क्युलेशन होतं तेव्हा क्लोज सर्क्युलेटरी सिस्टीम असते आणि जेव्हा आर्टरीज आणि व्हेन्स वेल डेव्हलप नसतात तेव्हा त्याला काय म्हणायचं ओपन सर्क्युलेटरी सिस्टीम. नाउ इन कॉकरोच इट इज open circulatory system. Blood vascular system of cockroach is an open type. Blood vessels are poorly developed and open into space. Hemocoel. Visceral organs located in hemocoel are bathed in blood. Hemolymph. The hemolymph is composed of colorless plasma and hemocytes. Heart of cockroach consists of elongated muscular tube lying along mid-dorsal line of thorax and abdomen. It is differentiated into funnel-shaped chambers with ostia on either side. हे दोन्ही साइडला जे आहेत त्याला काय म्हटलंय ऑस्टिया किंवा ॲलरी मसल्स. Here it is chamber of hearts. The heart of cockroach consists of elongated muscular tube. हे ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर आहे ते हार्टचं स्ट्रक्चर आहे. आपल्या ब्लड मध्ये काय काय कंपोनेंट असतात रेड ब्लड कॉर्प्युसल्स आरबीसी, व्हाईट ब्लड कॉर्प्युसल्स डब्ल्यूबीसी आणि प्लाझ्मा. आणि कॉकरोचच्या ब्लड मध्ये काय कंपोनेंट असतात colorless plasma and hemocytes. Which are the two components of cockroach blood? Colorless plasma and hemocytes. Heart of cockroach consists of elongated muscular tube lying along mid-dorsal line of thorax and abdomen. It is differentiated into funnel-shaped chambers with ostia on either side. हे जे funnel shaped structure आहे ते दोन्ही बाजूला कशाने सपोर्ट केलेलं आहे ऑस्टियानं. Blood from sinuses enter heart through ostia and is pumped arterially to sinuses again. The respiratory system consists of network of trachea. जी रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टीम असते आपल्या रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टीम मध्ये काय असतं सेंट्रलला ट्रकिया असतो तसंच in cockroach respiratory system it also consists of network of trachea that open through 10 pairs of small holes called spiracles present on the lateral side of body. Thin branching tubes, tracheal tubes subdivided into tracheoles carry oxygen from air to all the parts. आपल्या जशा नॉस्ट्रिल्स नाकपुड्या असतात तसं त्याला काय असतात 10 पेअर्स ऑफ स्मॉल होल्स असतात ज्याच्यातून तो ऑक्सिजन आत घेतो. The opening of the spiracles is regulated by sphincters. Exchange of gases takes place at the tracheoles by diffusion. आता मालफिजियन ट्यूब जे स्ट्रक्चर आपण बघितलं होतं, एक्सक्रीशन परफॉर्म करतं. एक्सक्रीशन इज परफॉर्म बाय मालफिजियन ट्यूब्यूल्स. Each tubule is lined by granular and ciliated cells. They absorb nitrogenous waste products and convert them into uric acid, which is excreted out through thin gut. Therefore, insect is called uricotelic. कारण जे एक्सक्रिटरी वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट असतात त्याच्यात मेन कंपोनेंट काय असतो, युरिक ऍसिड. दॅट्स वाय द इन्सेक्ट इज कॉल्ड युरिकोटेलिक. In addition, the fat body, nephrocytes, and uricose glands also help in excretion. We have discussed about respiratory system, circulatory system. Respiratory system includes 10 pairs of small holes to take gases, oxygen inside. Circulatory system is open circulatory system. Elongated funnel shaped heart structure supported by ostia. And main product of excretion is uric acid. Now we are going to discuss nervous system. The nervous system of cockroach consists of series of huge segmentally arranged ganglia joined by pair of longitudinal connectives on the ventral side. 3 ganglia lie in thorax and 6 in abdomen. Total 9 ganglia are present, 3 in thorax, 6 in abdomen. Nervous system of cockroach is spread throughout the body. The head holds a bit of nervous system while the rest is situated along the ventral belly side part of the body. So now you understand that if head of cockroach is cut off, it will still live for as long as 1 week. त्याचं डोकं जरी तुटलं तरी तो आठवडाभर जिवंत राहू शकतो. कसं काय? कारण त्याची नर्वस सिस्टीम ही डोक्यात काही प्रमाणात असते आणि ॲब्डोमेन मध्ये जास्त प्रमाणात असते. गॉट इट? In the head region, the brain is represented by supraesophageal ganglion, which supplies nerves to antenna, compound eyes. In cockroach, sense organs, antenna, eyes, maxillary palps, labial palps, anal cerci. What are the sensory organs in cockroach? Antenna, eyes, maxillary palps, labial palps, anal cerci. The compound eyes are situated at dorsal surface of the head. Each eye consists of 2000 hexagonal ommatidia. With the help of several ommatidia, a cockroach can receive several images of an object. त्याच्या डोळ्यामध्ये एक कंपोनंट आहे, त्याचं नाव आहे ओमॅटिडिया. ते मल्टिपल ओमॅटिडिया आहे, त्याचा नंबर आहे 2000. त्याच्यामुळे त्याला एकाच ऑब्जेक्टच्या मल्टिपल इमेजेस दिसतात. दिस काइंड ऑफ विजन इज नोन ॲज मोझाइक विजन with more sensitivity but less resolution, being common during night, hence called nocturnal vision. त्याला रात्री चांगलं दिसू शकतं, त्यामुळे त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? नॉक्टर्नल विजन. So in today's lecture we have discussed about elementary canal of cockroach. Elementary canal म्हणजे अन्ननलिका कशी सुरू होते, कसं एक्सक्रीशन होतं, हे सगळं आपण बघितलं. After that we have seen circulatory system, elongated funnel shaped part of heart and supported by ostia. Then we have discussed about respiratory system, which includes 10 pairs of small holes called spiracles. हे spiracles कशासाठी उपयोगी पडतात? To carry oxygen inside the body. The main product of excretion is uric acid. That's why the insect is called uricotelic. And nervous system कशी असते? Small amount of part is included in head and major part of nervous system is included in the abdomen. And sensory organs are eyes, antenna, maxillary pulps, labial pulps, anal cerci. Eye consists of 2000 hexagonal ommatidia. विजन साठी काय आवश्यक आहे? ओमॅटिडिया. Ommatidia gives multiple images for single object. This is called mosaic vision and also called as nocturnal vision. So, in the anatomy, you have to discuss about alimentary canal, open circulatory system, excretory system, respiratory system, and nervous system. In the next lecture, we will discuss about reproductive system of cockroach. Okay. So, remember the names with diagram. This is your task. After completion of lecture, you have to draw each and every diagram and you have to remember each and every name. Then only you will be perfect while writing the answers. So, keep studying, keep watching, and keep practicing. Okay? Thank you.